In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer photos from your iPhone to your Windows 11 computer. So this is by far the quickest and easiest way to get photos from your mobile over to your computer. Now, first thing we need to do is just come over to our computer and open up the Start menu, search for Settings and click on the Settings window. In the left-hand side, click on Network and Internet, click on Mobile Hotspot, and turn on and enable the mobile hotspot. Now just ensure you're connected to a Wi-Fi connection. Scroll down to Share Over and make sure Wi-Fi is selected, and then scroll down to the Properties section, and from here we'll need to connect our mobile phone to this network. Now, you can either do this one of two ways. You can just scan the QR code to directly connect to your computer, or what you can do is open up the Wi-Fi settings on your mobile phone. And as long as your Wi-Fi is turned on, you're going to see this network property appear on your mobile device. So you can just go and select it from the list and connect directly from here. Once you're connected, your device should appear underneath device name, and it should say devices connected 1 of 8. Now, once you're connected to this hotspot, we can begin transferring the photos over to our computer. So what we're going to do is just open up the Files application on your iPhone. Click on the Browse button in the bottom right-hand side. Click on the 3 horizontal dots in the top right and click on Connect to Server. Now come over to your computer and open up the Start menu. Type in CMD and open up the command prompt. Now type in ipconfig and press Enter. So from this window, you'll see this address next to IPv4 address. So mine is this 192.168.137.1, and yours is going to be different to this, so make sure you have the correct numbers. So what we're going to do is head back over to our iPhone and just type in these numbers. So I'm going to type in 192.168.137.1. and then we can press Connect in the top right-hand side. Click on Connect as Guest and press Next. Now, once you've connected, we'll need to head over to the desktop on your computer, right-click somewhere and click on New, and click on Folder. Now just go and give this the folder name of something like Photos, iPhone, and press Enter. Once you've created this folder, right-click on it, click on Properties, click on Sharing, and then click on the Share button. Now click on the drop-down arrow, select Guest, and click on Add. Change the permission level to Read and Write, and click on Share. Click on Done, then click on Advanced Sharing, click on Share this folder, click on Permissions, and check the boxes next to Full Control, Change, and also Read, and press Apply and OK. Click on Apply and select OK. Then you can close out of this window. Now click on the Users folder on your iPhone, click on User, click on Desktop, and then you can select Photos iPhone. So this is the folder that we just created on our computer. And now what you can do is head over to the Photos application on your mobile device, and you can just go in, select the photos that you want to transfer to your Windows computer. So I'm going to select this one here, but you can do this to multiple photos. Click on the share icon in the bottom left-hand side, scroll up and click on Save to Files. And then you just need to go and locate that folder that we just created and click on the Save button like so. And now if I come back over to my computer and I open up this shared folder, you can see straight away that this photo appears. And this is the quickest way to transfer photos over to your Windows computer. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.